Welcome to Informed Investor. 2023 wasn't just another year for the Indian primary market, it was a record-breaking rollercoaster ride with a flurry of IPOs that saw titans rise and underdogs shine. As we approach the start of the new year, let's do a quick flashback of the IPOs that came through in the year 2023. The year of 2023 saw about 57 IPOs raising close to 49,278 crores via the IP route. In context, this was higher than the last year's 40 IPOs debuting on the exchange, but in terms of the issue amount, it was lower by 17% compared to 2022, which stood at 59,302 crores. The best year so far in the primary market has been in 2021, where about 63 IPOs had a debut on the exchanges, raising a staggering 1.18 lakh crore of funds from the public. When companies raise funds from the public, they have two options. One is where they raise fresh capital from investors, and this amount goes to the company where they employ it for various reasons like expansion, for working capital requirements, payment of loan, and or setting up a new facility or etc. The other option is where the promoters or early investors wish to sell off their holding, which is referred to as an offer for sale. So the total issue can be broken down into two parts, which is fresh issue and offer for sale. And the year of 2023 saw a share of about 42% of fresh capital raised in the total issue amount. Interestingly, this 42% was the highest in the last 8 years. What's more interesting is that the year of 2011 saw 98% of fresh capital raised out of the total issue, meaning all the money raised in 2011 was new investment rather than secondary offerings of existing shares. The IPOs usually have a quota for subscription in which there are QIBs or qualified institutional buyers who are referred to as mutual funds, financial institutions, venture capitalists, etc. Then there are non-institutional investors or HNIs, where the minimum subscription value is more than 2 lakhs. And finally, there are retail investors like us whose investment starts from around the 15,000 levels to less than 2 lakhs. The year 2023 saw a great response from retail investors with over 2/3 or 24 IPOs attracting a substantial response, achieving an oversubscription of over 10 times. Plaza Wires, which debuted in October, saw the highest retail participation of 360 times, followed by IdeaForge and Utkarsh Small Finance Bank, to name a few. Even overseas investors like FIIs and FPIs have been actively investing in the primary market. Apart from investing aggressively in the Indian equities, even the IPOs saw decent interest from FPIs. Now, the most interesting part, at what price or rather what percentage of listing gains did these companies achieve? Can you guess the company that gave the best returns? I'm sure it's at the tip of your tongue. It is Tata Technologies, delivering the best listing gains of a whopping 140%, followed by IREDA at 56%, then Cello World at 28%. Only 6 IPOs debuted poorly on the exchanges. In context, the average listing gain during the year 2023 was 27.1% compared to just 10% in the year 2022. Now coming to a last segment of the video, how does the IPO pipeline look like in the year 2024? The primary market is expected to ride the positive and bullish sentiment with a number of IPOs like Ebix Cash, Indigenum, Tata Play, Survival Technologies being the most familiar ones. With the upcoming general elections in 2024, the primary and secondary markets both will have some action-packed interest by market participants. Having said that, this is me, Rahul Hassan, signing off. Have a great day and stay safe.
Did you like watching this video? Then download our app, Informed Investor, to watch more such informative and interesting videos.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.